Welcome to Progressive Telecom, your trusted partner in advanced telecommunication solutions. Today, we're diving into the key factors that influence VoIP termination rates. VoIP termination is the process of routing voice calls from one provider to another until the call reaches its destination. The rates for these services can vary significantly, impacting your overall communication costs. Several factors affect VoIP termination rates. Let's explore the most critical ones. Geographical location plays a major role. Rates can differ vastly between countries and even regions within a country. Providers often offer lower rates for calls to high-traffic destinations. Call volume is another significant factor. Higher call volumes typically lead to lower rates due to bulk pricing agreements. Businesses making frequent calls can benefit from negotiating volume-based discounts. Quality of service also impacts rates. Providers offering superior call quality, with low latency and minimal jitter, often charge higher rates to ensure reliable communication. Strong relationships with multiple providers can lead to better rates. Providers with extensive networks and established partnerships can offer competitive pricing due to their bargaining power. At Progressive Telecom, we leverage our global network and strategic partnerships to provide our clients with the most competitive VoIP termination rates. Our commitment to quality and reliability ensures that your communication needs are met efficiently and cost-effectively. Understanding the factors that influence VoIP termination rates can help you make informed decisions for your business. Stay connected with Progressive Telecom. Visit progressivetele.com to learn more about our services and how we can help your business thrive.